Very good morning. I'm Aishwarya Kapoor with you. Welcome to Today in Parliament. The 18-day monsoon session of Parliament begins today amid unprecedented safety measures for coronavirus. It will have 18 bills and 2 financial items to discuss. And Rajya Sabha on the first day of the monsoon session will elect its deputy chairman. All the details coming up ahead. Let us start with the headlines. Monsoon session of Parliament all set to start amid unprecedented safety measures against novel coronavirus. Lok Sabha to hold sitting at 9 a.m. Rajya Sabha to convene at 3 p.m. Bills replacing 11 ordinances and 23 new bills to be priority. Government ready to discuss all issues. Rajya Sabha to elect its deputy chairman today. NDA nominee Harivansh to contest against UPA candidate Manoj Jha for the post. Chairman M. Venkaiah Naidu to administer oath and affirmation to new members. Upper House to condole passing away of former President Pranab Mukherjee and sitting and former MPs. And in legislative work listed today for both houses, 8 new bills to be introduced in the Lok Sabha, including the Essential Commodities Amendment Bill 2020 and 4 new bills including Epidemic Disease Amendment Bill 2020 in the Rajya Sabha. Union Health Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan to make a statement on the novel coronavirus pandemic and the steps taken against it. A look now at the legislative business in the upper house. Home Minister Amit Shah will move the salaries and allowances of ministers Amendment Bill 2020 for introduction. He will also lay on the table a statement explaining the circumstances that had necessitated the immediate legislation by the Salaries and Allowances of Ministers Amendment Ordinance 2020. Health Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan will move the Epidemic Diseases Amendment Bill 2020 for introduction and lay on the table a statement explaining the circumstances which necessitated the immediate legislation by the Epidemic Diseases Amendment Ordinance 2020. Ayush Minister Shripad Yesso Naik will move the Homeopathy Central Council Amendment Bill 2020 and the Indian Medicine Central Council Amendment Bill 2020 for introduction. Yesso Naik will also move the Institute of Teaching and Research in Ayurveda Bill 2020 for consideration and passing. He will also lay on the table statements explaining the circumstances that had necessitated the immediate legislation by these 2 bills. Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri will move the Aircraft Amendment Bill 2020 for consideration and passing. And on the first day of the monsoon session, the Rajya Sabha will elect its deputy chairman with NDA's Harivansh Narayan Singh and RJD's Manoj Jha in the fray for the post. The motion in this regard will be moved by BJP MP Jagat Prakash Nadda, leader of the opposition in the upper house. Ghulam Nabi Azad will move the motion for the opposition candidate Manoj Jha. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Prahlad Joshi will move the motion on the curtailment of a question hour due to the COVID-19 pandemic. And Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will lay on the table a statement showing the supplementary demands for grants 2020-2021. Health Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan will make a statement regarding the COVID-19 pandemic situation and the steps taken by the government. Secretary General Desh Deepak Verma will lay on the table a statement showing the bills passed by the Parliament during the 251st session of the Rajya Sabha and assented to by the President. And Minister V. Muralidharan will lay papers on the table entered in the separate list for Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. And the House will also condole the passing away of former President Pranab Mukherjee and 18 sitting and former MPs. Let's go across to our colleague Akhilesh Suman, who is joining us live from Parliament at the moment. Akhilesh, a very good morning. So, first time a parliamentary session is taking place amid a pandemic, which of course means, first of its kind session. It will see Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha sitting in two different shifts, compulsory mask wearing, entry to only those who test negative. So, what will be the focal points of this year's monsoon session?
This is really one of the major constitutional requirements in India that we have to have a monsoon session, and that is why amidst the pandemic monsoon session has been summoned. And in this way, it's also peculiar in the sense that you don't have so much of freedom that you used to have during the sessions, because mixing of people will be very difficult, and you have to maintain distance inside the house also. So in that way, it's a really interesting time to see that how members interact with each other during the session and after the session. It will be really very strict regulation inside the house, and everyone will be having a corona negative certificate with them, so that they can ensure that infection is not reaching to anyone else. Other than that, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha.
All right, Akhilesh, will come back to you. At the moment, Prime Minister Modi is speaking on the monsoon session of Parliament. Let's cut across live.
केंद्रीय मंत्री प्रहलाद जोशी यहाँ पर उनका स्वागत करते हुए प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी, आप देख रहे हैं ये सीधी तस्वीरें और काफी अहम है। हम जिस तरह से आपको बता रहे हैं कि तमाम जो विधायी कार्य हैं इसमें काफी अहम बिल हैं, किसानों के से जुड़े हुए बिल और लोक हित से जुड़े हुए मुद्दे हैं जिन पर चर्चा होनी लाजमी है।
नमस्कार साथियों, एक लंबे अंतराल के बाद आज आप सबके दर्शन हो रहे हैं। आप सब कुशल हैं ना? कोई संकट तो नहीं आया ना आपके परिवार में भी? चलिए, ईश्वर आपको सलामत रखे। एक विशिष्ट वातावरण में संसद का आज प्रारंभ हो रहा है। कोरोना भी है, कर्तव्य भी है और सभी सांसदों ने कर्तव्य का रास्ता चुना है। मैं सभी सांसदों को इस पहल के लिए बधाई देता हूं, अभिनंदन करता हूं और धन्यवाद भी करता हूं। बजट सत्र समय से पहले ही रोकना पड़ा था। इस बार भी दिन में दो बार, एक बार राज्यसभा, एक बार लोकसभा, समय भी बदलना पड़ा है। सैटरडे संडे भी इस बार कैंसिल कर दिया गया है, लेकिन सभी सदस्यों ने इस बात को भी स्वीकार किया है, स्वागत किया है और कर्तव्य पथ पर आगे बढ़ने का फैसला किया है। इस सत्र में कई महत्वपूर्ण निर्णय होंगे, अनेक विषयों पर चर्चा होगी और हम सबका अनुभव है कि लोकसभा में जितनी ज्यादा चर्चा होती है, जितनी गहन चर्चा होती है, जितनी विविधताओं से भरी चर्चा होती है, उतना सदन को भी, विषय वस्तु को भी और देश को भी बहुत लाभ होता है। इस बार भी उस महान परंपरा में हम सभी सांसद मिलकर के वैल्यू एडिशन करेंगे, ऐसा मेरा विश्वास है। कोरोना से बनी जो परिस्थिति है उसमें जिन सतर्कताओं के विषय में सूचित किया गया है उन सतर्कताओं का पालन हम सबको करना ही करना है। और ये भी साफ है, जब तक दवाई नहीं तब तक कोई ढिलाई नहीं। हम चाहें कि बहुत ही जल्द से जल्द दुनिया के किसी भी कोने से वैक्सीन उपलब्ध हो, हमारे वैज्ञानिक जल्द से जल्द सफल हो और दुनिया में हर किसी को इस संकट में से बाहर निकालने में हम कामयाब हो। इस सदन की और भी एक विशेष जिम्मेवारी है और विशेष करके इस सत्र की विशेष जिम्मेवारी है। आज जब हमारी सेना के वीर जवान सीमा पर डटे हुए हैं, बड़ी हिम्मत के साथ, जज्बे के साथ, बुलंद हौसलों के साथ दुर्गम पहाड़ियों में डटे हुए हैं और कुछ समय के बाद बर्फ वर्षा भी शुरू होगी। जिस विश्वास के साथ वो खड़े हैं, मातृभूमि की रक्षा के लिए डटे हुए हैं, ये सदन भी, सदन के सभी सदस्य एक स्वर से, एक भाव से, एक भावना से, एक संकल्प से वो संदेश देंगे, सेना के जवानों के पीछे देश खड़ा है, संसद और सांसद सदस्यों के माध्यम से खड़ा है, पूरा सदन एक स्वर से देश के वीर जवानों के पीछे खड़ा है। ये बहुत ही मजबूत संदेश भी ये सदन देगा, सभी माननीय सदस्य देंगे, ऐसा मेरा पूरा विश्वास है। मैं आपसे भी आग्रह करूंगा कि कोरोना के कालखंड में आपको पहले की तरह मुक्ति से सब जगह पे जाने का अवसर नहीं मिलेगा। अपनों को खुद जरूर संभालना दोस्तों। खबरें तो मिल जाएगी, आपके लिए कोई मुश्किल काम नहीं है, लेकिन खुद को जरूर संभालना, ये मेरी आपको पर्सनल प्रार्थना है। थैंक यू दोस्तों।
All right, so Prime Minister Modi addressing the media ahead of the monsoon session. Akhilesh, if I can come to you. Prime Minister Modi there, speaking about this unprecedented session that is going to be marked by unprecedented logistics and infrastructure. And all the days, including the weekend, Saturdays and Sunday will be working. But Prime Minister again emphasizing that despite all these measures, one has to make sure that the session is fruitful and we give a message to the soldiers on our borders, and at the same time ensure that we adhere to all these measures.
Right, Aishwarya. Actually, this is very important message that when our soldiers are at the border and they are to defend the country, the message should go from Parliament that yes, the whole country is with them, and also that all parliamentarians are with them. So this is very important message in this point of time, that being a democracy, you are dealing with really a difficult situation, and as Prime Minister told that it will not be like earlier times when we all had freedom to move around anywhere and everywhere. So we have to restrain ourselves, journalists have to restrain, and even the parliamentarians would have to restrain themselves to maintain the distance and keep the hygiene, so that the coronavirus doesn't enter the campus. So in that way, that this responsibility comes to the government, and this responsibility also comes to parliamentarians, that amidst all these problems you have to adhere to the constitutional responsibility that
Absolutely. Adherence to
mandates
the
you to
constitutional
hold the
responsibility,
parliamentary
hope for a
And also-
fruitful monsoon session of Parliament. That is what a Prime Minister is also hoping for and the entire country is hoping for. And that is it in this edition of Today in Parliament. Thank you so much, Akhilesh, for joining us. Keep watching Rajya Sabha TV. Up next is Today Sansad Mein Aaj. Thanks for watching.